Ay, mukhang delisyoso!
So yummy! It's my mommy's first time making a pizza.
Excited ka na to eat it?
Yes.
Hi guys!
Hi guys. So it's my mommy's first time making pizza.
Taste test again.
Taste
Today
test
is Saturday,
Saturday.
August 2, 2025. What time is it?
6:38.
6:38. Nakagawa na ako ng isa.
Yes. Wala kaming internet.
Oo. Since yesterday.
Bukas pa dapatin.
Nung technician.
Technician.
Tara!
Diba? Let's taste. Ayan guys. So I'm gonna taste it.
Ito nung first, meron pa akong ginagawa doon. Air fryer lang ginamit namin.
Yeah.
Pita bread.
Pita bread and cheese and bacon
Cement
bits.
cheese.
Bacon
Shredded
bits.
from Danes. Tapos nung Del Monte pizza sauce. Italian to, mamaya nung sweet. Tapos bacon bits.
Wait, the sweet is frying?
Yeah.
Taste
Crunchy.
test.
Oh, just.
Crunchy. Crunchy.
And yung
It feels like potato chips. Ooh, cheesy. Ang sarap. I love it.
Hindi mo.
Okay, rating ko yung pizza ni Mami, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yes, love you. You're nice, me.
Yung cheese ba masarap?
Papa.
Ito sweet naman yung ginagawa ko.
Okay, sweet sauce.
Oo.
Same but sweet sauce.
Yeah.
So later I will try tasting the sweet one.
Yeah.
You're getting better at cooking.
I just saw this on Facebook.
Yeah, you can make pizza at home. Just buy those ingredients.
Kulang pa, pinapili ko si Jazz kung ano ingredients ang gusto niya. Sabi niya, pepperoni. Wala namang malalaki ng mga pepperoni na binibenta sa shop.
Shopwise.
Kaya, ganun ako siya susunod.
Bacon bits.
Bacon bits.
And some nice cheesies. For the crust, it's pita crackers.
Pita bread.
Pita bread. It crunchy fries.
Pwede na tayo mag-pizza at home, no?
Yes, so that no need to get another pizza.
So, all in all, nagastos ko dito, nagastos namin dito was around 400, 500, no? 500.
Maybe like that. Around that.
Kasi, yung pizza sauce, 26 pesos, ay 28 pesos each. Tapos yung Danes na shredded cheese was 160. Pita bread, 128. Tapos,
Yung
bacon bits, 130.
130.
Yeah, around that. Pwede na. Pwede na siya to have pizza at home.
Yeah.
I just used an air fryer.
It's so easy.
Oops.
Oops. The crunchy.
Uh-oh.
Oops. The crunches. Crunchy. Ooh. What? So we're just waiting for the sweet sauce pizza to be finished.
Off mo na muna.
Off?
So, ito na po nung
Sweet version.
sweet sauce version.
Yes. crunchy.
Crunchy.
Tasty also.
Eh, nung pita bread pala nakakain mo eh. Wala pa nung sauce, wala pa nung...
Oh.
Init, init!
Yummy.
Talaga?
Of course. Try it.
Sweet na ha.
Opo.
Na-toast ko masyado ng pita.
To make it crunchy. It happens also to French fries whenever I fry it.
Init. Sarap?
Opo.
What do you like? The sweet one or the Italian one?
The sweet one because it's so nice and sweet.
Bolero. Sige guys. Enjoy!
Enjoy! Wait. Okay. Off?
Hindi.
Not yet?
Subukan pa. Kain tayo!
Mangan!
Yan na. Off mo